We'll guide you through how to deploy your website using Netlify hosting. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to Netlify's website. Sign up or log in if you already have an account. Once you're in, you'll see the Netlify dashboard. Click on the NEW Site from Git button to start the deployment process. Next, you'll be asked to connect your Git provider. Choose between GitHub, GitLab, or Bitbucket depending on where your code is hosted. You'll need to authorize Netlify to access your repositories, so go ahead and follow the prompts to grant permission. After connecting your Git account, you'll see a list of your repositories. Select the repository containing the project you want to deploy. Netlify will automatically detect the build settings, but you can adjust these if needed. Make sure the correct branch is selected for deployment. Usually this is the main or master branch. Then, scroll down and click on the Deploy Site button. Netlify will now start building and deploying your site. This might take a few moments, so be patient. Once the deployment is complete, you'll see a confirmation message along with a random URL generated by Netlify. You can click on this URL to view your live site. If you want a custom domain, head over to the Domain Settings section on your site's dashboard and follow the instructions to add your own domain name. Remember, you can always check the Deploys tab for logs and details about the deployment process if you need to troubleshoot any issues. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.